Hello everybody, my name is Siow Kai Yang and I'm from Nanyang Primary School. Today I'm going to show you my Raspberry Pi projects. The first project is a Raspberry Pi SenseHat joystick controlling white dots on an 8x8 square grid. This program is written in Python 3 with Tony IDE. The motivation for this project is that I found this project very interesting and challenging, which encourages me to put on my thinking cap. In this project, I used a Raspberry Pi with Raspbian Buster, and the code was written in Python 3 with Tony IDE, and this is the code which I use to write the program. As a conclusion for this project, I think the area of improvement is that I can shorten the code and make its user interface more interesting for the user. My next project is to create a rainbow animation using SenseHat. The motivation for it is that its color is inspiring and calms my mind because it's satisfying. This project is done using Raspberry Pi with Raspbian and SenseHat and written with Python 3 and Tony IDE. I'm now going to show you some demonstrations of my code. And the next demonstration. And thank you for that.